Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to transfer forward emails from Outlook to Gmail. This is incredibly useful if you're managing multiple email accounts and want all your messages flowing into one central inbox. Let's walk through this process together. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Give it a moment to fully load all your emails so you can see everything in your inbox. This initial step ensures you're working with the most current data and have access to all the necessary settings. Once your emails have loaded, you'll want to navigate to the Home menu. This is located along the top portion of your screen where all your main menus and tools are positioned. Click on the Home tab to access the features we'll need for setting up email forwarding. Under the Home tab, look for a section called Move. This is where Outlook houses its email routing and organization features. Within this section, you'll see a drop-down labeled Rules. Go ahead and click on it, and an expanded menu of options will appear. From this list of options, click on Create Rules. This opens the gateway to automating how your emails are handled. A Create Rule window will now appear on your screen. Here you'll see various options for customizing your rule. Look for the Sent to drop-down menu and select your Outlook email address from the list. This tells Outlook which incoming messages you want this rule to apply to. Now take a look at the bottom of this window. You'll notice an Advanced Options button. Click on it to access more detailed configuration settings. This will open the Rules Wizard window, which gives you much greater control over how emails are forwarded and managed. In the Rules Wizard window, scan through the available options until you find the checkbox labeled Specified Account. Enable this checkbox by clicking on it. This is the critical step that allows you to route emails to an external account like Gmail. At the bottom of this same window, you'll see a link that says Specified. Click on this link to set your Gmail email address as the destination for forwarded emails. A drop-down menu will appear where you can select your Gmail address from the list of configured accounts. Choose the Gmail address where you want to receive all your Outlook emails. After selecting your Gmail address, click OK to confirm your selection. This locks in your forwarding destination. Once everything is configured correctly, click Finish to activate the rule. Your Outlook will now automatically forward incoming emails to your Gmail account, keeping everything synchronized in one place. And there you have it. You've successfully set up email forwarding from Outlook to Gmail, making it much easier to manage all your communications from a single inbox. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.